If you're thinking about replacing your windows or doors, or even just buying ProVia products to install yourself, you probably want to see exactly how they're going to look before you make a decision. That's where the ProVia Visualizer comes in. It's an online tool that lets you design your project and actually see those products on your home before you make a commitment. In this video, I'll walk you through how to use it, starting with a quick example using a stock image, and then showing you how to upload a photo of your own home so that you could preview it before you buy them. And before we dive in, if you're buying ProVia windows or doors through us or installing them yourself, you'll get a contractor discount automatically on every quote. Before we go deeper into the advanced features, I want to mention something very important. While this visualizer tool is incredibly helpful for seeing how ProVia products will work on your home, there's a lot more that goes into choosing the right windows and doors for your specific situation. Things like energy efficiency ratings, proper sizing, installation requirements, and local building codes. If you want expert guidance on selecting the perfect ProVia products for your home, along with the contractor discount that I mentioned earlier, click the link in the description and get in touch with our team. So to help show you how to use this helpful tool, I created two examples. The first example is using the stock images that you'll find in ProVia. And the second one is uploading a home image. So in the first example, this is the stock image that I have already gone in and made all the updates to. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you how to start from the home page, which is here, and navigate to selecting that specific image and then adding in the windows, doors, and siding, etc. So what we'll do is we're gonna select sample home, select the sample home, and I'm just gonna scroll right down to that same exact option that I chose. And from here, you're going to see how easy it is. When you hover over, you'll see how it highlights these areas. So you could just click in here, or you can click over here. So let's say I just want to update the siding on these gable end areas. I'm gonna select the cedar max, and then I'll just select the white color, and you'll see how it populates it right there. And then to get the door, we'll click the door and select the door area on the side. So now that we're at this area, I'm going to click entry doors. And I'm going to select the single entry door with side lights. And I'll hit next. I'm going to use a Signet fiberglass door and hit next. I like the Craftsman style 420. I'll leave the fir fiberglass selection. And I'll select the 120 style for the side lights with glass, and all these upper glass options line up with each other. And we'll do let's pick caramel for the colors inside and out and go next. And then lastly, then we're gonna get some glass options. We'll pick the ComfortTech DC, and then we'll pick our lock set. So let's do black. And let's just jump in and pick a different style. So let's maybe select the MTech and hit next. Okay. So now we have our door built, and hit apply. By the way, when I was talking about the dealer access code that you could send in, it'll be right here below the door or the window that you build out. So once you fully build out the door or the window, you're going to see that dealer access code for each individual item. So I'm going to hit apply, and we'll see how it applies it to the design. So I'm not going to take every step, but if we jump back over, we will see how it starts to look like the example that I created. I have the door, the siding on the top, and you could ultimately just plug in all of the roofing, fascia, soffit colors until you get that house looking like the house that you have or what you want it to look like with all the selections made. So next, I'm going to show you how to do it with an image of your own home. So here's the example of what it looks like in ProVia Visualizer. And here is the actual home after the work was completed. So just to click back, this is what we did with the ProVia Visualizer, and this is the finished product. So you'll see this was the home before the construction project. This is the home post-construction, and this is the visualizer right here. So you're not going to get an exact image of what this is, but you're going to be able to see very, very closely what your home can look like from here to here using this tool. So it's pretty simple. You're going to do the same thing as the selections that you were making with the stock images, only you're going to be able to highlight all of these areas. And I'm not going to go through that because it'll be a little bit cumbersome on a video, but it's pretty intuitive. You'll select your areas. You basically will click around the perimeters of the areas that you want to apply different finishes, sidings or roofing, etc. And it will ultimately just plug in all of these things for you so that you have it looking the way that you want. So those are the two ways that you could use this very helpful visualizer tool. If you are installing your ProVia windows and doors yourself, but buying them through us, you'll get a contractor discount that I mentioned earlier. You'll see the discount price reflected on every quote that you receive, and if you don't see it, ask for it. If you'd like to try the ProVia Visualizer yourself, click the first link below labeled ProVia Visualizer. You can upload a photo of your own home or use the sample image and then play around with the different window and door options until you find what you love. If you just want to get pricing for your windows and doors through using the Visualizer tool, click the second link labeled ProVia Design Center. From there, you can build out the windows and doors that you want, get your dealer access code, and email it to us for pricing. Either way, it's a simple, powerful way to bring your ideas to life before your final decision. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.